Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing something so exciting. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, congratulations to you. Click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn your bell icon so that you will get all the videos that we're going to be sharing to you in this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for standing by me and also learning from this channel. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about three basic things. How do you the three basic functions: the trim function, the proper function, and the concatenate function. We're going to be talking about these three functions, and I bet you at the end of this training today you are going to learn how to use properly, how to apply them in your Excel work. All right, so before we get started, I want to remind you that this year you need to have a digital skill, whatever skill at all you want to learn. That is why in this channel we have made available a lot of courses that are going to be okay, wonderful for you to learn from. All right, just go to the description box. You're going to see links, a link there to lead you to our store. Go through the store, pick any of the courses that you want and start learning at an affordable rate. Okay, it's just a way we are giving back to the society to help you, become better and better version of yourself every day. So are you ready now to learn? Let's get down to business. Okay, so look at this data set. We're going to start with trim function first of all. What does trim means? Trim means is for you to remove extra gaps in your data. Okay, extra gaps can be an issue whenever you are doing your calculation. So because of that, you do your best to remove them so that you have a clean data every time you are working with your Excel. Do you get that? So how do you do it? This is what we are going to do. Come to this area. All right, let's say trim the name. Okay, best. All right, so we'll put it trim name, trying to get trimmed name. Right, so what you need to do is put your equal sign. Remember, all the calculations you're going to do, you must put in your equal sign. So trim, put the trim function, then use your tab key. Right, then you highlight the text. Instead of writing all the text down, you can just click on the column where it is. Right, and press enter. Once you do this, see it has removed every gap. Look at, there was a gap, there was a space here, there was a space here, and there were spaces down here, but it has removed all of them, making them to be arranged very well the way a name is supposed to be. I hope this is clear. So whenever you want to remove extra spaces, use a trim function to remove your extra spaces. Okay, use it to remove your extra spaces. That's the best way to do that. Okay, so let's talk about proper function. Okay, now what does proper means? Proper means you arranging your words. Proper name. Okay, proper name. Proper means you arranging your name alphabetically the way it's supposed to be. Okay, I mean, not just alphabetically, you arrange them based on capitalization. All right, when you look at this word, you find out that there are a lot of inside it is not arranged properly. All right, there are ones that has capital letter inside the words. Okay, so we need to work on it and put it to the best way it's supposed to be. Okay, so now what do we need to do? Put your equal sign, put your proper. Okay, and then put tab key, then highlight the cell where it is and press enter. Once you do that, it's going to put all of them in a proper way. You see, all of them are in a proper way right now. All the names are starting with capital letter, then other ones small letters. But when you look at it also, you find out that it just did only proper, only proper. But then we need to do something here. We need to do something here. We need to, since we also need this data to be trimmed. We also need this proper data to be trimmed. What do we need to do? Combine the functions that we used. So we're going to combine them. Now let me show you how to combine these functions. to also get the same answer which you need. Okay, let's say combine function. I'm just giving it a heading so that you understand combine function. Okay, all right, so what do you need to do? Any of them can be the first. So let's say you put trim function. So inside, we'll call it nested functions. Nested functions. All right. Inside the trim, we are going to put proper. Put proper function inside it. Okay. Then highlight the first this one. Okay. Once you highlight this one, it will give you the answer. Okay. The formula is missing an opening. Okay. So you're gonna put brackets, then work on it. You see, so make sure you put your brackets, all right, to get. So you see it has arranged all of them. You see the beauty of these functions. So it did not just do proper capitalization, it also removed all the all the gaps or all the spaces in the data. Okay, so that is for that. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how do you combine words or columns to get one word. We use what we call concatenate, concat, or text join. All right, these are the three major ways you can do that. I'm going to use three of them right now to show you what I mean. So when you come here, you put concatenate. Concatenate is just a function you use to join text. Okay, concatenate. Concatenate is here. So if you use it, you bring the text one, just click on this, put your comma, then you put this one. It's going to combine two of them. But the thing here now is two of them are combined together without a space. Okay, so what you need to do is this. Look at what I'm going to do now. Concatenate. Okay, you put space, you put you click on the first one first, then you put comma, then you put your, because you need to put a space by yourself. Nobody's going to do it for you, right? So you put the space by yourself and then click on this. You see that it has given you the value. So you can also click here, it will join all of them together. Okay, so that is how to do that. Now let's use another way to do it. Let's use let's use concat. Let's use concat so that you see the difference between two of them. You use the concat function. All right, you click it like that, it will still give you the same thing. All right, what it means is that concat function and concatenate function work in the same way. Okay, put the same thing, it gives you the same answer. Okay, so now let's look at text join. Text join equal to text join. Now this text join is not in all the Excel apps. It's not in all of them. I think from 2020 or thereabout, that's where you're going to see the text. So if your Excel is lower, maybe 2016 or 2017 and all those ones, you will not see text join. It's from the higher ones, maybe 2019 upwards. That's where you can see text join. But if you are using Excel online, you will always see text join in it. So let's use text join here. Okay, text join. You can use it this way, but let's use Control A so that we can go into the dialog box, open the dialog box so that you understand it properly. Okay, so delimiter is what is going to separate the two sentences or whatever, the two words we are using. Okay, so in this case I want to use space. So whenever you are putting any string function, and so any string, all right, you must put the the sign, this sign, right? You must make sure that you use this sign to to protect it, to cover it so that the Excel will notice it. So they said ignore if empty, just leave it like this, then put the first text. The first text is here, the second text is here. Okay, so with this you have joined the words. You see that? So when you click it like this, it gives you the same thing. So if you want to also, maybe you want to use another method to do this, you want to type it out yourself, it is still good, right? Make sure you put your comma, your that you put it to good, then you leave this one. Okay, you can leave this one the way it is, put extra comma to cover it, then you do put this one, then you put this. Okay, with this you have your words. Okay, so that's how to do it. I believe you learn something from this. So go and practice, go and learn more for yourself. I believe with this you know how to join from now. So this is how to join. To join, you can use the concatenate, you can use the concat, you can use text function, text join, I mean. So all of them work in the same way, right? I hope you learned something today. Remember, if you want to learn any digital skill, go to the description box. You're going to see a link there. Click on the link, it will lead you to the store. Then check any of the courses you want, click on them and get it for yourself at an affordable rate. The goal is that this year you keep on learning, you keep on becoming better, and you keep on expanding your knowledge in the digital world, because the world is actually developing on a daily basis. All right, see you in the next video.